Hey everybody, I am back once again, and I am playing Starbound, and we're going to be leaving off where we left off the last episode with the jackpot of coal, and we lost our pickaxe so we can't mine with that anymore, sadly, but we have found a lot throughout the last episode, and it's just, damn, razor sharp monster claw that can be used for crafting. Like, we have found a lot, and I'm gonna mine this up, and then we'll continue off, and I'm gonna go check out some portal dimension thingy-mabobber. So, thanks again for watching. If you like, please subscribe or like the video and leave a comment telling me anything you want, and see you guys later. Be right back. I just fell down a really long, but just fell really, really far. So I guess that door thing is going to be a no-go. So I don't want to walk all the way back there unless I want to keep mining. So let's go back down here if I can. There we go. Beam down. I wonder how many things we got. I'm going to check real quick. But can we check here? No, we can't check here. Okay. Let's see how many we got. We got 6. How many do we need? I don't remember. Let's go check. I got this new cool sword. Boom. I bet I can one-shot if I just go like that, because this does a lot of damage. We have to get up here. Boom. I hate this pickaxe. It's so slow now. Can I? Oh. There was a vine. Plant fiber. Let's get through this. There we go. Oh, well, we could have went down. That's dumb. How many do we need? Can't place torches here. Anyway. 20? Oh, goodness. Okay. Well, let's go see if we can craft something. Like some armor or something. Through this wall. This thing's awesome. Spin. Wish I could throw it. Just like. Okay. Let's see what we can do with this. Don't I have a furnace? What? C. No. I. I believe I had a furnace at one time. I guess not. Okay, let's see if we're gonna make a furnace. Primitive furnace. What do I need for this? Need a campfire. Okay, shouldn't be that hard. How do I make a campfire? Wooden logs and a torch. Craft. I didn't want to make two, but okay. Primitive forge. Where should we put this? I want to put it over here, maybe. Yeah, let's put it over here. Nah. I want that to be for something special. Okay. Let's put it outside here. I keep missing the door and turning off my torches. Let's put it... Put it... I don't want to put it up there. That would be out of the way. Let's put it right here. I guess. Why not? Right here. Let's put a campfire in front of it. Okay, we're going to make copper bar, copper ore, gold ore, iron ore, silver ore. So, just smelt all we can of these. You know, in real life, this will take forever. I only have 2 gold bars. That sucks. paper, medical syringe. How do I get glass? Oh, I have no idea. I can only make one. Okay, there you go. Tungsten bar. Paper, wooden log, just a sheet of paper. Core fragment. Dangerous powder useful for crafting explosives. Okay, let's go back up here. Keep putting out that amphil. How do we make this? We need more timber. Chemba. Anvil. Boom. Takes a lot of iron. Now we're gonna put this. We're gonna put this up on the top there, because that would be a good place for this. Let's make it in the wall too. I know I'm not using this pickaxe correctly. You're supposed to be doing a heck of a lot more with it. You know, like in Skyrim where they have that huge forge thing up on the top? Yeah, that's kind of what this is going to be like. Okay. Let's get rid of this grass. There we go. And where's the forge? Nope, it's right here. Boom. Iron assault rifle. Iron revolver. Oh my god. Eat PP. Tungsten magnum. We can't make any of this. Oh, we need tungsten. And we need fabric. I want to make this pistol. Iron revolver. 7. I'm making damage per shot 12. What's this one? 0.9. It does poison damage. Rate of fire 7.4. That one's better, and that one's better so far. The whole thing. What about the pistol? Iron revolver. Better with damage, not better with rate of fire. And the energy per shot is a heck of a lot more. But the damage is a lot. Let's do it. See what it's like. Boom. It's not bad. Can't fire it forever. It's a one-handed weapon too, so we can just take it. Put it right there. So it's a flashlight and a revolver. Boom, boom, boom. I have to right click for it. I don't like that. There we go. And we will put this right there. I want to make that assault rifle. We need 2 more iron. Do we have 2 more iron? How much does it take to smelt 1 iron bar? Let's see. Iron bar. 1 more iron. I need 3 more iron. Okay. We're gonna do that in the next video. Saying that we don't see any here, because it's almost time to end the video. I don't see any. Whatever. We'll end the video here. Actually, I think that's some. We'll get this and then we'll end the video. There we go. Okay. I'll see you guys in the next episode. I will have that rifle ready to be shown off in the next episode. But anyway, have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.